afternoon, y'all. I think it's afternoon. It's 12:10 local here, as you can tell. We're definitely getting some snow. About an hour ago, it was like super dry. There was like no snow whatsoever. And then it just started snowing and like falling pretty hard. But yeah, we got loaded. This is like one of the times where I don't like the fact that I'm light. Load is literally only 5,000 pounds. I'm heading to Columbus, Ohio. Got a first come first serve tomorrow, 10 to 2, to load up another load. So it's 2 pick, 1 drop. And then after that, I have a delivery straight through in Jeffersonville, Indiana. But yeah, I'm just trying to drive as much as I can today. Probably try to get to Columbus today so I don't have to drive throughout the night. But in reality, we'll see how that works out. Close. I mean, it's not bad. I think during the day is the time when you want to drive. When it's snowing and the roads are a mess, because they actually take care of the roads. But when it's ugly at night, they don't clean. And you don't want to be out on the roads at that time. Let's keep on rolling. Alright, y'all. We're back a little bit later. It is 12:51, so 1 o'clock. Definitely not much snow here. I was kind of almost looking forward to some snow. Haven't had much snow this year. The last year we had quite a bit of snow. This year, not much whatsoever. Only 5,000 pounds, so all these hills are pretty dang easy. I'm on 81 southbound, bouncing down to 81 off 84, and I'm gonna hop on 80, and then I believe roll all the way to Akron, and then 76, 71, and out of Columbus. That's the plan, at least. That's not right. That's moving me to St. Louis. This is right. Got 450 miles to go. Not bad. Before you say it, the gauge is flickering. It's not happening in real life. It's only on video. I don't know why. This truck is so dirty on the outside. Let's answer this. Yeah, I'm not even exactly sure what we were talking about, but yeah, there's just always some crap going on, man. That was not AMG. No, that was an AMG with roof storage. And I thought it was a wagon at first, but it wasn't. I really like wagons. But yeah, I mean, there's just always something happening, man. Like, this guy went to the pickup, and they told him to drop the trailer, that it wasn't a live load. And I called the broker, and then they tell him, oh yeah, it is a live load. It's just mind-blowing to me, like, how little people pay attention about their job. A lot of times I'll check in at the shipper, and they'll literally like have you wait for a few hours, like, nah, we can't give you a dock yet. And then somebody else shows up and they're like, man, they're supposed to be loaded by now, here's the dock. It's just mind-blowing to me, honestly. Yeah, I'm just kind of like rolling here, just looking around in the truck and thinking about all the upgrades I want to do and stuff, but all that stuff is expensive, man. Like, to begin with, I just want to run and make some money. But you do know, in case you're a company that makes any of these things that I want to upgrade and you want to send it to me, hey, I'd love to do that. I need a new bumper. Nice steering wheel would be nice. Definitely a new seat. Some of those watermelon lights. I don't know, there's a few things that I'm looking into that I would definitely get for the truck. For most part, pretty minor. I think getting stacks would completely change the look of the truck, but they're pretty expensive, so that won't be happening anytime soon. This is the nice thing about hauling light. Sorry for the yawn. That's gotta be a pain to strap all that down. That's the nice thing about hauling a light load, is you just fly up on these grades. You don't struggle and stuff. No issues whatsoever. Just keep on rolling. I don't know why my fan kicked in. Yes, because of my oil being at 200. Or never mind, because I have it on. I might stop by, excuse me. Might stop by Walmart today. Get some meat. Probably some salmon, because I'm really wanting some salmon and rice. It's gonna be pretty fire. They got all the plows lined up. Earlier, I never stopped by at a vehicle inspection. It was literally like up on 84. It wasn't even a scale, but it was a rest area, and there was a sign that was flashing that said vehicle inspection ahead. And they had a bunch of DOTs lined up in front of every parking spot, just as on the rest area. But thankfully, you see, it was just like that, but it was flashing. Thankfully, there was nobody there. Well, there were DOTs there, but they were all busy already inspecting other people, and then I could roll. See, I guess they do the same thing here. They just lined up at a rest area, and they put a bunch of DOT officers here, and they're just inspecting everyone. And I would assume that it's most likely all level 1s. And in case you're not familiar, they have different levels of inspection. Level 3 being the most basic. Level 3 basically, for most part, inspects you as a driver, so your bill of ladings and your paperwork and your hours, etc., etc. As far as I'm aware, I think level 2 they do like your air check and your turn signals, lights, etc., etc. And then level 1 they go in depth. I would assume like pretty much your brakes and all that stuff, engine, your belts, and etc., etc. All the detail stuff. I've been making quite a few videos this week. But yeah, we're gonna keep on rolling. Hopefully we don't get much snow, and catch you guys later.